In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer bonus amount to main account in 1xbet Tagalog. It will be simple to do. Well, you first come and click on registration. Now you will come here on the registration by email. As you have clicked now on it for the full inscription, you will enter all your information possible. You will now come here to your code of country, where you will enter the country, which will be Philippines in Iceland, because this one, it is for the language of Tagalog, where Tagalog is being spoken in Philippines. Now you will enter your informations, the rest of your informations, phone number, password. Then you will come and click on the promo code, which will enter BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit, where you put an amount of $10. For example, you will obtain $30 because of that. Then you will click on register. Now, as everything is set, you will now come to your menu. Then you will come here at the level of 1x games, where by clicking on 1x games, you will come here to all games, where you will select a game that you wish to play. If I should take, for example, the game Crash, by clicking now on Crash, where you will play, you will just place your bet. Now, by placing your bet here, if you have, for example, an amount of 900 francs, so, and in your account you have an amount of 900 francs, now you will just place the bet. If you want to play even 500, 200, 300, depending on what you want, you just place it here. And by winning now, if you win and you gain again a considerable amount of money, you will just increase it and combine with your actual amount you have in your 1xbet. Now it will be the choice for you to deposit as to bet again, or to withdraw it normally.